Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to create an LLC on Sunbiz, Florida. Browser on my PC, then I will search for sunbiz.org. And first, we'll need to make sure that our company name isn't similar and there's no other LLCs or other companies that has the same name. So my name is Zane, so I'm gonna name it Zane Zone, for example. So I will simply go and click on search records at first, just like so. Then I will simply search by name. So I will click on the name option. And now I will search for any corporation that is named Zane Zone, just like so. Then click on search now. And now it will show me all the related names or all the other companies that has similar names that I have chosen. So here, as you can see, we do not have any company or LLC, INC that contain the name Zane Zone. The nearest thing is Zeo LLC or Zeo Monica. So now I can name it Zane Zone and nobody has this name. And beside each corporate name, you can see the document number, the status, and all the data included. So another good thing to consider is that if you find that the status of this corporation is inactive, this means that you can actually use this name because this corporation is no longer available. So here, for example, we have the second name here, Zeo Monica ADL LLC. It's inactive. This means that I can actually use this name in order to create my own company, and this will not be confusing anymore. But for better results, it's better to name it another thing that is totally different. Okay, now I'm gonna type here back sunbiz.org and I will start my own LLC. So simply I'll click on start a business. Just hover over it, do not click, hover over it, then scroll down like this, then go to limited liability company or LLC. Now simply you just want to find this button right here, file or correct Florida LLC articles of organization. Now you will be taken to this page. So you should read this article carefully. I'll simply click on I have read and accept terms and disclaimer and so on. Enter the tracking number or the PIN. Here in my case, I want to start a new filing, so I will click on this option. Now you will be redirected to this page. So be careful when entering all these data. You need to make sure that you add all the data correctly and read all the headings carefully. So enter the limited liability company name, the address, city, the IP code, country, enter here the date. If you have any questions, you can simply click on what is an effective date. You can click on these blue buttons beside each section. You can scroll down more and find here the name and address of the registered agent. Just make sure to fill in all these information correctly and wisely and scroll down more. You have to fill in all these information. And once you finish here, you can see this message. Please review the filing for accuracy. If you need to make corrections, do so at this time. The filing information will be added or edited exactly as you have entered it. Once you have submitted the information, your filing cannot be updated, removed, canceled, or refunded. So make sure to double, triple, or quadruple check before you hit the continue button. And if you want to reset all these data, simply click on the reset button. And once you finish this page, you will be redirected to this one right here. And from here, you will be taken to the payment page. And then from here, you just have to pay for fees for your total charge amount for your corporate filing. And then after that, you will now be here in the confirmation page that once you have successfully paid for your charge or the amount. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.